right, let's move on to suspending your breath on the inhale. So that will mean I want you for the next few minutes to practice and experience how it is to suspend your breath. So let's get right to it. I want you to sit up straight and make sure that you're comfortable and that you can breathe freely. And I want you to close your eyes and let your breath flow. And I want you on the next inhale to suspend your breath. Inhale and hold your breath. And I want you to lift your upper ribs. This will make it easier. And at the same time, I want you to relax your shoulders, your throat, your face. Exhale. Again, inhale. Hold your breath. Lift your chest. Relax your shoulders, your throat, your face. And exhale. I want you to inhale. Lift your ribcage. Hold your breath. Suspend the breath. And start relaxing with the suspension. And exhale. And now continue at your own pace. Continue on the inhale, suspend your breath. Relax your shoulders, your throat, your face. And become stiller and calmer. Exhale whenever you feel you want to exhale. Notice that there's no stress. Continue, you're halfway through this exercise. Suspending the breath on the inhale. Finding a still and calm place in that suspension. Breathe, suspend, relax. Continue. And for the last minute, I want you to challenge yourself to suspend the breath just for a little bit longer. Suspend it as long as you can without tensing up and stressing out. 20 seconds to go. Good. And exhale and relax your breath. Keep your eyes closed. And notice, as always, how you feel now. How's your blood pressure? Can you maybe notice your heart beat? Is it a little faster? Is it slower? Is it there at all? Very important. Make sure your blood flows and your breath flows. And open your eyes. Welcome back. So I think you did great, first of all. Thank you so much for staying with it and keeping up. These were 3 minutes, so it's a relatively short time. And I would recommend, if you want to continue practicing this for a while, just don't stress yourself out. 3 to 5 minutes in the beginning is absolutely more more than enough. You can go to the big leagues, you know, over time. And just make sure whenever should you ever feel dizzy at any point, you want to stop, you want to just let your breath flow. And I want you to also notice how this type of breathing affects you for the rest of the day. For example, how do you feel now versus 5 minutes ago? And just go learn that and explore that. So it's one of my favorites. Generally speaking, breath works and then pausing on the inhale. It will also come in really handy for meditations that are a little bit more advanced. So I'm looking forward for you to actually using all these techniques in meditations, and you'll be like, oh, I've done this before, I know this. So this is all really good work that you're doing. We'll move on to the next one, and again, thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.